All right, so what we're going to do is organize all of the tracks that we have. We got 38 tracks here, 39, no, 38. That one doesn't count. But what we're going to do is we're going to organize them so that we can get our work done a little more efficiently. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, there we go. I'm going to take my drum tracks. I'm going to shift click, and then I am going to control click, and we're going to create a track stack. It's going to be a summing track. You could use folder track, but a summing track gives us a chance to make a submix for that collection so that we can add effects to all of the drums at once. So we're going to create, and now I have all of my drums in one place. And instead of calling it sum, I'm going to call it drum sub mix. So I know what that is. If I click over here on this little button, all of those get stored up here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clicks. Well, can I get to it? Yes. Clicks and claps and telephones, and I'm going to put all those together. So command, click, create stack, summing stack, and rename as clicks, clacks, and telly. Return, and there. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to put my kick drum and my bass together. That was one of the suggestions that somebody had on one of the videos I just watched. So I have to get them all together in the same place, the bass, the kick drum, and click and shift click and control click. We're going to create a track stack, summing, create, and sum 3 is going to be, I'm going to call this bass and kick. If I hit enter, I can get out of that editing area, and now I've closed that one up. Let's put all these guitars together. Electric guitar, electric guitar, electric guitar. Ooh, look at them all. Wow, it's like 20 guitars in here. Control click, create stack, create, and this sum 4 is going to be guitars. Next, I'm going to put all my keyboards together, piano, bells, synthesizer. So, oh, come on. There we go. And then command click and create stack, create keyboards, rename it, close them up. Getting smaller already. Next, we have all of these vocals. Control shift, create stack. Oh, I could also use shift command D. So why don't I do that? I've got all these nice little, they're all selected. Shift command D, and of course, since this is blue, I just hit return or enter. Give it a nice name, vocals, and minimize. There. So now everything is organized. It makes it a lot easier for me to do the work that I need to do for mixing and mastering.